Hey everyone, Terminate video with the C++ tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to do input and output in C++. So first, hashtag include IOStream. So basically, what this does is calls to the file called IOStream. Okay, so this thing is, let me explain this. So this is kind of optional, I guess, but so if you didn't have this in your code, this thing, you would have to do this. Yeah, you would have to put the std thing there. So it's one of those things you can do either way, but for this video we're gonna do it like this. So we do int main parentheses, then the squiggly parentheses things. We do C out. That'll start with hello world, and then I don't think you have to put return 0. Oh wait, oops. Actually go that way. And I don't think you have to put return 0. Like there's been times where I haven't put return 0 in a program and it worked perfectly. So now we're gonna run the program. Give it a minute to load. Hello world. Okay, now we're going to teach you about input. So int A. So basically what we're doing is we're defining A as an input thing. So let's change this to type in a number. Okay. Cin. So what we type in is going to go into A. C out. A. So basically it's going to ask us what number we typed in. Then we're going to type it in. It's going to go to A. Then it's going to display A, which is going to be the number we typed in. So let's run the program. Hopefully there's no errors, or I'm going to feel like an idiot if there are errors. Okay, so it's kind of smushed together. So I'm going to do that. There you go, sorry. It kind of bothered me. 1. So yep, I typed in 1. And well, if you want to go to the next line, you can also do this. That /n will make it go to the next line like that. Okay, it only did part of my number, but that's okay. That's because ints are kind of limited. There's other things like floats and doubles that I'll talk about in later videos, but for now we're gonna stick with we're doing int because it's pretty basic. But anyways, that's the end of this video. Oh, and thank you to my Patreons, Amy Good. I'll probably put their names on the screen. And have a fantastic day.